This is my Pavo Pico. It has a broken motor, so let's go ahead and fix that. To figure out which one of these motors were broken, it was pretty easy. I put a battery in the quad, turned it on, paired it to my remote and my headset. And from there, with the headset off, I tried to get it to lift off the ground. There was only one motor that wasn't spinning. It was this rear motor on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and replace that. As always, I'm going to use my Fantic screwdriver. I love this thing so much. It's motorized, and it'll be in the description below. We're gonna use a Phillips 000 bit, and that's just to remove the 3 screws that are attaching the motor to the frame. From there, if you look at the body of the drone, you'll see this coming out of the flight controller. It's a little plug and it's where the motor goes into. You're just gonna wanna use a pair of tweezers or something like that and just pull it out. But carefully, I say carefully and then I just drop it, but be careful, seriously, you don't wanna break any of the connections on this little guy. Now, all that's left to do is get a new motor. I have a bunch of spare parts, thanks to my friend, so I'll go to have extra spare parts. I was gonna buy a bunch, but he had some laying around and I just picked it up from him. Check this out, we got different head pieces, we have a bunch of different propeller guards, and I say a bunch of different guards, guys. Another headpiece here, a bunch of propellers, bunch of batteries. So I'm gonna be actually moving this onto a completely different look using one of these colorful ones. Not in this video, but stay subscribed for when that one comes out. For me, I'm just gonna temporarily take one of the motors off this guy. If you buy the motors, I'll also try to link them in the description below. It'll come in a little kit like this, and it has 4 motors in here. We have our new motor, time to place it into the Pavo Pico. You can definitely tell which one has been replaced. Let's chuck a battery on this guy and then test out its flight.
It's just, oh shit.
Boyfriend, what happened?